Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product review of the DJI Mini 3 drone bundle with accessories. If you're interested in this impressive drone, we found it online and added the link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. The DJI Mini 3 is a compact, lightweight drone that packs a punch when it comes to performance and features. Weighing in at under 249 grams, it's designed for effortless portability, making it an ideal travel companion. Its foldable design allows you to easily slip it into your bag or even your pocket. Whether you're hiking up a mountain, lounging on the beach, exploring a new city, or taking a weekend getaway, this drone is ready to capture your adventures without weighing you down. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 3 is its advanced 4K HDR camera. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the Mini 3 produces sharp, detailed imagery with stunning color accuracy, balanced highlights, and deep shadows. This means you can capture every moment, whether it's a breathtaking sunrise or a fun family outing, with professional quality videos and photos. The 4K resolution ensures that your footage looks vivid and captivating, perfect for sharing with friends and family or even for creating stunning travel vlogs. Another impressive feature is its extended flight time. With up to 38 minutes of flight per charge, the intelligent battery system maximizes efficiency, allowing you to spend more time capturing that perfect shot and less time worrying about recharging. Plus, the DJI Fly app provides real-time updates on battery life, so you'll always know how much time you have left in the air. The ease of use doesn't stop there. The DJI Fly app is a powerful tool that allows users to edit, enhance, and share their aerial footage directly from their smartphones. This means you can quickly put together a highlight reel of your adventures and share them with your followers in no time. The drone's robust transmission system ensures smooth, low-latency video feeds up to 10 kilometers away. This provides you with clear, real-time visuals during every flight, making it easy to frame your shots perfectly. So, who is the DJI Mini 3 suitable for? This drone is perfect for a variety of users, from hobbyists to seasoned drone enthusiasts. If you're someone who enjoys traveling and capturing memories on the go, this drone will serve as your best friend. Photographers and videographers looking to enhance their creative toolkit will also find this drone invaluable. Plus, its user-friendly design makes it accessible for beginners who are just starting to explore the world of aerial photography. In practical terms, the DJI Mini 3 can be used in numerous scenarios. Imagine capturing stunning landscapes during a hiking trip, documenting your family gatherings from a unique perspective, or even filming your adventures while traveling abroad. This drone will help you tell your story and preserve those special moments with breathtaking clarity. Additionally, the bundle includes some fantastic accessories: a micro 64GB card for storage, a Pro Sling backpack for easy transport, a drone landing pad for safe takeoffs and landings, a memory card reader, a cleaning kit, and a memory card wallet. These accessories enhance your experience and ensure you're fully equipped to make the most out of your drone adventures. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 3 drone bundle is a remarkable choice for anyone looking to elevate their photography and videography game. Its combination of portability, advanced features, and user-friendly design makes it a standout option in the drone market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.